In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now tap on Face Unlock here and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Make sure to tap on Next and then select Done. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish, but make sure this one is enabled. Unlock using face data. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Let's check it out though. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!